Now, 27 storm trap weather with meteorologist Max Saparis.
Welcome back. We have some pointers for you to keep in mind for the rest of today as we still stay pretty hot. Sunblock, sunglasses, great idea. You want the water bottle today as well, since we're going to be really hot and we don't want the heat taking it out of you. Take some breaks if you're going to be outside for an extended amount of time, either in shady spots or even better in the air conditioning, and check the back seat of the vehicle before exiting. Heat advisory in effect from 11 this morning till 7 in the evening for most of our area. It excludes eastern Wisconsin, but that doesn't really matter. They're going to get pretty hot as well. We have an excessive heat warning into the Twin Cities, an air quality alert for the stagnant air mass over the Chicagoland area and everywhere in orange into Iowa and northwestern Illinois under that heat advisory. So we want to be taking it seriously as temps get as hot, if not a couple degrees hotter than yesterday. We had a lower temp start though, so we're not quite there yet, but later this afternoon we'll surely get rather toasty. 81 feeling like 85 in Madison. Heat index of 92 already into Camp Douglas. Feels like 94 in Platteville. Heat index of 88 already in Montello or into Monroe, with actual temps in the upper 70s and low 80s. The dew point last couple of days and the rest of this work week will be steamy, around 70 degrees. That continues till Friday. Then this weekend, we drop the dew point by about 10 degrees, much more comfortable air on the way. You'll see that here with the hot trend for the next couple of days at least before heading into the weekend. The yellow line is the actual temps, closing in on the low 90s today with the heat index around 100 by later this afternoon. Thursday, we'll have your heat index in the low to mid 90s with actual temps in the low 90s. And then we fall to the 80s for actual temps. Takes us into the weekend, though, for the heat index to match the high temperature. The reason why is because the lower humidity, the less of a heat index you're going to experience. The other weather story, this storm coverage. We're seeing some strong storms over northern Wisconsin that moved in from Minnesota. A couple showers flared up early this morning here in the southern half of the state, and later today we could boil up a stray shower or storm, but this heat dome is really building. That's that warm front that lifted through yesterday, bringing us all that rainfall. And with the heat dome in place, it's just going to get those temps a little bit higher. And we're going to see the potential for a stray pop-up storm, but nowhere near as widespread as yesterday. Here we go as we head into Thursday. This boundary comes closer to our region that will activate more showers and storms as we get later through the day. Severe threat from the Storm Prediction Center, already a slight level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather for areas in yellow. High wind gusts, some small hail, and heavy downpours are the main concern for tomorrow's system. Here's what happened yesterday, though. This is out of Crystal Lake in Lodi. Sharon's sharing this photo of this low-hanging cloud with some gusty winds, and we see other storm reports, some trees knocked down in Dodgeville, flooding over by the UW Hospital on the near west side of downtown Madison, and we had some heavy rain reports through Janesville and some small hail too. We can track out the rest of the next couple of hours here with a stray pop-up storm favoring our south and eastern section. So if you're south or east of Madison, you have the potential for that pop-up storm today. Otherwise, the rest of us rain-free. Could see a few showers tomorrow morning lingering, but then more storms flare up as we head into the early afternoon of Thursday. And look, as we get through Thursday evening, strong storms are possible before the wet weather clears up heading into Thursday night. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temps slowly backing off. Today, the hottest of the next 7, getting to 93, with a couple stray storms possible later today. Scattered in nature tomorrow, so plan on packing the umbrellas before leaving on Thursday. Isolated storm threat Friday, and then lower humidity looking likely now for Saturday and Sunday. That'll drop your temps a little bit as well to the mid and upper 80s, and the heat index will match the high temps, so we're not going to feel hotter than the actual high. So we'll get a brief reprieve, but you see the heat's back to next week, Caroline.
Yeah, it sure is. But it'll be nice to maybe not immediately start sweating when you walk outside.
Yeah, that's how it is today for sure.
All right, Max, thank you.